Good morning, everyone. Today is Thursday, July 30th, 2026 at 10:11, and today we have our day 1 outlook to look at for today. So let's go ahead and get into it. So our day 1 outlook for today, we have a slight risk that encompasses parts of central southern South Dakota and much of central to northern Nebraska. We have a marginal risk that encompasses much of North Dakota, parts of the UP, Michigan, southern to central North Dakota, parts of central to eastern Montana, northeastern and eastern Wyoming, much of South Dakota, much of Nebraska, eastern Colorado, much of Kansas, northwestern Missouri, western Iowa, northeastern New Mexico, western Oklahoma, and northwestern Texas Panhandle. We have a marginal risk that also encompasses parts of eastern Mississippi, southern Alabama, western and northern Florida, and southern Georgia. So we have those areas under a marginal risk for today. So let's go ahead and see what we've got for today. Today we have a 2% tornado risk that encompasses central to northern Nebraska and southern South Dakota. So we have those areas under a 2% tornado risk for today. We have Kearney, North Platte, and Lexington under the 2% for today. So we could see an EF0 tornado possible in the 2% area today. Going into the wind threat for today, we have a 15% that encompasses parts of central to southern and northern Nebraska and southern to central South Dakota. We have a 5% that encompasses parts of the UP, Michigan, parts of much of Minnesota, but much of North Dakota, much of South Dakota, much of Montana, eastern Wyoming, much of Nebraska, eastern Colorado, northeastern New Mexico, northwestern Texas Panhandle, western Oklahoma, much of Kansas, northwestern Missouri, and western Iowa. So we have those areas under a 5% for today. We also have parts of eastern Mississippi, southern Alabama, western to northern Florida, and southern Georgia under the 5%. So we have Grand Island, Kearney, North Platte, Norfolk, and Hastings under the 15%, and Jacksonville, Kansas City, Omaha, Lincoln, and Mobile under the 5%. So for the 15% area today, we could see 60 to 75 mile per hour wind gusts possible today. 5% we could see 60 to 70 mile per hour wind gusts possible today, so please be mindful of that. Going into the hail threat for today, we have a 5% that encompasses parts of northeastern New Mexico, northwestern Texas Panhandle, western Oklahoma, eastern Colorado, western Kansas, central to western Nebraska, eastern Wyoming, central to western South Dakota, southeastern to central Montana, and southwestern North Dakota. So we have those areas under a 5% for today. So we have Rapid City, North Platte, Gillette, Scottsbluff, and Pierre under the 5%. So we could see 1 to 2 inch diameter hail possible in the 5% areas today. Going into the summary for today, it says thunderstorms with severe wind gusts and isolated large hail will be possible this afternoon and evening across parts of the central and northern plains, but especially across parts of Nebraska and South Dakota. Isolated severe wind gusts may also occur across parts of the southeast. So I do really hope you stay weather aware and stay safe today. There's today's hail risk.
You don't realize how important your liver is. It shows over 500 functions every single day. If you don't know what dose is, this is a liquid.
There's today's wind risk.
To support your liver, there's 2 ways that this has really helped out. The first, digestion. It helps with the bloating, helps with digestion late at night, and then energy. It has turmeric, milk thistle, dandy.
There's today's tornado risk.
Check out those. We love it. We take it every day.
There's today's day 1 outlook. So I do really hope you stay weather aware and stay safe today. Yes, even if you are under a marginal risk, you still want to remain weather aware and safe, as you never know what these storms could do in the marginals. Anyway, I do really hope you have a great rest of your day. Stay weather aware and stay safe. And now I have my day 2 outlook later on this afternoon, as well as any day 1 outlook updates. Anyway, in the meantime, stay weather aware, stay safe, and take care.